Hello everyone, I hope you guys are doing good. There is an old saying, quite a cliche, but it fits this moment. When the going gets tough, the tough gets going. We are from the hospitality industry, which means we are in people's business, which means there is an element of human touch, which means personalized services, which means smile on our faces. These things matter a lot to our customers. But things are going to change now. Post COVID 19, the entire dynamics and approach in giving our customers that comfort zone is going to change. Offering confidence and safety and a sense of health and hygiene is going to take the front seat. Our industry is a very high touch point industry, isn't it? We need to work on reducing those touch points. And how do we do that? The only way we can do it by introducing technology, by introducing digitization in processes. So we need to strike a balance between the technology and the human element. Depending on our business models, we need to figure out how we can do this. It means like to assist a guest with seamless technology, which is going to be an extended work of our team member. So at this point, very important things that we should remember, that we need to stay in constant touch with our client base. We need to be in constant communication and we have to keep them engaged in whatever way possible, through webinars, through emails. Try and build an emotional connect with your customers. It's very important. Secondly, try and be flexible with your policies. And third, try and innovate and and offer value-added services to your customers, which will attract them to you. So, right now, let's talk about the opportunities. What are the opportunities that we have today? Number one, to offer our client a clean, hygienic, and sanitized space. For that, whatever needs to be done, needs to be done. So, we have to work towards it. We have to keep our place as sanitized, as hygienic as possible. There is no other way. But take this as an opportunity. Second, we need to learn all the norms, rules and regulations laid down, all the guidelines laid down by WHO and FSSAI and follow them to the T. We have to learn first and then train our employees, train our workforce before we open our gates to the customers. A lot of people have already started doing it through webinars. And a lot of people are already operating in operations like the cloud kitchens or the ghost kitchens. Their staff, they are training them day in and day out. They are following all the rules and regulations. There is no other way. So also take this as an opportunity. The third thing is the business part of it. So we need to be really very innovative now. We are going to cater to the domestic market. That is our market now. Because people are not going to travel out of the city or out of the country for work-related matters or business-related matters, or for that matter, leisure traveling will not happen. So we have a captive market sitting right in front of us, and they are either working from home or they're working within the city, and they're looking for good food or some kind of entertainment, but with a tag attached to it. The tag of sanitization, tag of hygiene, tag of safety, tag of health. We need to build that. We need to create a complete package. Safety first. So that's the key now. Now we need to follow this change. This is a big change. but we need to follow it and adopt it as soon as possible. Then move forward. That's the new normal. So be it. We will do it. And we will get our customers back. So I will leave you with one food for thought. I'm really worried about the unorganized segment of this industry, the roadside vendors, the food stalls. How deep our people are going to work, or our government are going to work to enforce these rules and regulations for them? Or will they be out of business? Will they go out of business? Or will there be any kind of way for them to enforce this kind of safety and hygiene? I leave you with that question. I'll talk more about this in my next video. Till then, stay home, stay safe, and prepare your mind for this change. This is very important. Take care.